Hello, this is Dia Damson with Damson Co. and OCDC Art and Design. We are located in Orange County, California. In this very fast motion tutorial, I'm gonna go super fast through what we're doing on this small canvas. We are going to do a reproduction of the bigger canvas on the top. I'm adding the background here. It is darker on the top, and that's going to help us create the illusion of depth. I'm using browns, blacks with a little bit of blue, not too much blue, and you're gonna see how it's different than the top painting, and that's okay. I never try to do the same exact painting. I like to do things a little bit different every time. It's learning and exploring. I'm gonna go to the lighter colors for the bottom part, and that will create another illusion of something that it's closer to us. We can see it better. So there is the ochre, some white, a little bit of blue. It's almost invisible, and it's not as much as the bigger painting on the top, but that's okay. This little guy has its own character. Adding a little bit of a shadow. We're gonna add more shadow later. The next part will be actually starting on the mug and the colors of the mug. Well, the actual mug is white, but we're gonna do white and blue, tiny bit of blue, and that's gonna just give us another illusion of something that it's clean. And also adding a little bit of the ochre in it will help us create the illusion of reflective surface, because we're gonna take a color from outside and bring it inside to that object, so it's gonna seem like the table or desk or whatever that is, it's reflecting into our little mug or cup. I'm explaining here lighting. The lighting of this object, we have outside and inside, and if the light is coming from the left inside will be in a shadow, and it's a reverse on the right hand side. Inside will be the light, and the shadow will be on the outside on the right hand side. So you see how much blue I put into that little guy. I'm pushing with the white back in and out, creating the perfect shadow, something that's gonna make me happy. So it's a lot of playing around with the colors. I usually don't mix colors, or if I mix them, I barely mix them, just to make sure that they play very well together and I have the right amount of whatever color I want to be the dominant. Just creating finer lines here, playing around, taking my time. The small brush, this brush is number 6. The small baby brushes will come on the end, and I think they are 0s. I stay away from baby brushes. They just seem to me like a torture device, but for small canvas you just can't escape that. If you notice, as soon as I added the shadow underneath the cup, it right away it landed on the table. Before that was a little bit floating. So shadow is very important as a highlight. A little bit more light on the bottom corners. If you see, it just makes it look so inviting, like you want to grab it and drink some coffee. Creating more shadow on the inside of the mug, and also on the outside shadow side. And it's time for my signature. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you think, and next time we're going to use water, color, and oil with the same mug, so you can see what's the difference and how to. Thanks again. A baby and a mama.